Installing the 14018 Nailgun hanger onto the Metabo / Hitachi NT65M2 finish nailer. The hardware that comes with this nailer is an M5 by 0.8 by 25 bolt and a number 10 SAE washer. This hanger will mount on the left side of your nailer and work for a belt clip. First thing you do is remove the bolt holding the track to the body. Discard the original bolt. Take your new bolt, new washer, place it through the nailer, slide your hanger over the bolt, put on your original washer and your original nut. And then you're going to want to tighten that down. And there you have a new hanger on your finish nailer that will act as a belt clip. Now, it doesn't fold down all the way. Hits the track here, hits the body there, but I do not believe in any way it will be in your way. And for a right-handed guy, just to hang it in your nail bags, that is very, very simple. You should also be able to still fit it into your hard case. You'll just have to multi-master your hanger into the hard plastic on both ends, but it looks like there's plenty of room to cut it in. Oh, and I didn't add, you'll find this hanger on the custom link on the website, because this hanger isn't on the market yet either.